So we're gonna give this 2000 Xterra an update. We're gonna paint all the bumpers black, the grille. It's really faded. Already painted the hood. We're gonna paint all this. Even the rims, we're gonna paint black. I've already cleaned them up. So we'll see what it looks like after. All right, grill's off. Got it out here. I'm gonna put a little bit of this primer on it before we put the paint on it. All right, this is sanded now. Just use a Scotch-Brite pad, sand it all down to paint it. This is the only one that actually says you can use it on plastic. Out of all the automotive paints I bought, so I'm going to use this here. Alright, sanding this with a Scotch-Brite pad. Bumper. Just scuffing it down. Alright, we got the primer, black primer on. Primer actually looks nice, probably nicer than the matte I used out there on the grill here. It's more shiny than I'd want. But so that's with the primer. Now we're gonna put this trim and bumper paint on the front here. All right, swapping these headlights here. The old one, just 3 screws to get a new, more modern headlight in here. It'll have to be adjusted. There's an adjustment screw on the left side. All right, so now we're painting the rims black. Same thing, this black primer first, and I'm using just a regular can of semi-gloss for $1. Next, we're putting some of this truck mold on. Nice. Stuff real easy to use. This is the rack painted with the bed liner. Just painted it. Stuff goes on nice. I think I'm gonna change this to bed liner because it's too shiny. I like the look of the bed liner. Next, we use a heat gun to renew some of the plastic by the front windshield. Alright guys, this is the after paint. It's like a whole new car. Came out nice. I had the original flat matte bumper paint and it came out too glossy. So I went ahead and did the truck bed coating on top of that. But it came out nice. These lights are really nice, heavy old xterra. It upgrades it. It's like a nicer. Few runs on this top. I might recoat it. It does run, especially on the plastic. So you gotta kind of do it light, but hopefully it holds up. These bars came out nice. The rims are just regular semi-gloss. Again, the car's all dirty, but and then the back came out nice too. With the coating, it's like completely different truck. So that's it after. Big difference.